Hello and welcome to this unboxing. Okay, I bought two watches from Aliexpress during their sale. One for me and one for my wife. Something unexpected happened actually. These came to my doorstep approximately 2 weeks after I ordered them. That has never happened before. I usually wait for these a month and a half. The second thing was that the postal service actually brought it to my doorstep. Well, I did mention that a while ago, but previously I used to go to the central post office, pick these up myself. Today, the postal service guy came right to my doorstep, got the payment for the customs fee, and he already has these items with him. Amazing. I guess the postal service is now my most favorite government agency. Yeah, good job, Philippine Postal Service. Alright, on to the unboxing. So, first is this styrofoam box. So, I think that is my watch. So, I bought a Parnis aviator style watch. Well, aviator style in the sense that it's huge. My watch code. Thanks for your prompt purchase. It is our pleasure to do business with you and hope you are satisfied with our product and service. Okay. Box aside. Knife aside. We will unroll. And it's in one corner of the bubble wrap. How the hell oh, there it is. Bubble wrap aside. There it is. It's a Parnis. It looks like the one I ordered. Okay. Get it out of the bag. And there you have it. It has a very large dial. Big numbers. Offset seconds hand. Large onion crown. Manual wind movement. You can see right there. There is no spinning rotor. You have to manually wind this up. And I have a deployant clasp instead of a buckle. Nice. Okay, so this is my watch. Not gonna wear it yet. This is, after all, just an unboxing. Oh, I'm not sure if it's working. Should be simple enough. One pull of the crown sets the time. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. I guess I didn't pull it out far enough, so second hand is now working. Let's wind it up. Oh, it's a very, very noisy winding. Oh, I guess you have to see the back. So, if only the camera would focus. I guess that's enough focus. It's so noisy. And it's so big. I like it. It's a sterile dial, No one would know what this watch is. Unsigned deployment clasp. Okay, anyway. Put this back in there. I will probably wear this tomorrow. Oh, by the way, wristwatch check. I am, of course, wearing my F84W by Casio. Next watch. I'm not sure if I should be unboxing this. This is my wife's watch after all. However, I was the one who bought it, so let's take it out of the bag and show you what we got before I give it to my wife. So even before she sees it, you guys have already seen it. So I have the scissors out. So okay, time to do a fast forward. Finally, I got it out. There it is. Put the packaging aside. Of course, I bought her a Star King. It's in the standard Star King box. I think I bought this from the official store, so I'm not sure if we have extras in there. So here it is, Star King. There's the watch. Standard content, polishing cloth. The card doesn't have a manual though. Usually comes with a manual. Nope, doesn't. And there it is. I will not unwrap it from its plastic. No, I will leave that to my wife to do. But I did buy her an automatic watch from Star King. Oh, by the way, I will put all the links to the watches I bought in the description down below. Unfortunately, it's no longer sale, but that's besides the point. So there you have it. It's what looks to be a oh, never mind. It looks to be a mother of pearl dial, open heart watch in silver and white. Solid links. Probably even has a solid end link. I'm not sure if it has a display case back, but if my wife decides to have this reviewed by me, then you will probably see. But for now, that's it. This is my wife's watch. I would dare not remove it from the plastic. I would leave that chore to her, that task to her. Alright, so there's the Star King. Here's my Parnis pilot's watch. So there you have it, guys. 2 watches I bought from Aliexpress during their sale. As I said, links in the description below. So have a nice day and enjoy.